is going on, everyone? So just gonna give you a quick glimpse of all the rain we've been getting. So today is September the 26th, 2023, I believe, and it's raining like cats and dogs out here. I personally don't like the rain anymore, but I don't mind the weather, you know, but I just don't like the rain. It rains too much. And I gotta move this stuff, right? 'Cause now it's not raining. So we're just going for a quick drive. Turn it off real fast. Turn it back on. It wasn't raining earlier, then it just started pouring. And I still got a leak in my trailer, but it's on the side, you know, and I have like a bucket, you know. I should have fixed it during the summertime. I should have patched it up, but I didn't because I was lazy. And so in regards to how I'm feeling better, you know. I think I'm like 80% better. Some days I don't feel it at all. Some days I do, but I can tell that I'm feeling better because I'm getting my Class A driver's license, and I just passed the test last week on Wednesday. So I'm looking for a school, and I'm trying to find a free school, you know, where they do it for free. I don't think you guys want to see the rain, huh? So I was able to find a school for $4,600. But still, that's a lot of money, you know, and if I'm going to invest in the time into it, you know, I better pass, right? I passed my test the first time, which was a miracle, because I didn't really think I was going to pass it, and I passed it. And they don't tell you, you know, what your score is. It just says pass. So you kind of have to, like, guess, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, I passed the knowledge, passed the brake, and then I passed the combination. So then they give you a temporary permit, you know. And it's not like a car, you know. A car you can just, you know, if you have a car, right, you can practice on it. But if you don't have a truck, how are you gonna practice? So you have to have school, and then the school you have to have 160 hours. So let's say if you did have a truck, you know, you still have to have 160 hours before you can go and do the test itself, you know, the driving test. That's the way the law is. And then I was reading too in Washington, the law in Washington is the toughest laws in the whole United States, in the entire United States, right? It's more difficult to get a Class A here in Washington than any other state. So I don't know why. Don't ask why. I have no clue. Check out the rain. Let it rain, baby. So I was gonna go to the park and kick back for a bit, and I don't have to be at work till 6 o'clock. So, man, this is pouring now. Hopefully I got my bucket under there. Yeah. I won't say nothing, but look at the rain. floods up here because it was just pouring rain. I mean, like buckets. If I was to park my truck, get out and walk, I'd be soaked. That's how bad it is right now. The bus driver just broke. Yeah, so you see me wearing a beanie now, huh? Because it's starting to get cold. Normally I'm wearing the hat, you know? And you get used to that routine, you know what I mean? So like when I start class next month, I'm hoping, you know, if I find something. If I don't, I'm gonna have to pay, which is I found one for $4,600. I'm gonna have to adjust to that lifestyle, you know? Like anything in life, you know, it's a new career. So I go to this class, you know, it's 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. For 4 weeks, it's 160 hours, right? And I'm not used to that lifestyle. But I said, if once I get my license, then I can do whatever the hell I want with it. You know what I mean? I don't have to go to class. I don't have to be with 20 people, around 20 people. Because that's just not me. I don't really like being around a bunch of people. But in order to get my license, I have to adjust, right? So it's still raining. There's a puddle. See the puddle? Most people will just fly through there, you know what I mean? And then they damage their car, you know? Anyways, I was telling you about that, you know, so I have to adjust, have to accommodate to that. But it's only temporarily, you know? It's not like I'm gonna be there all year. Then they let you use their truck to go and take the test. And you have 3 tries. If you miss the 3 tries, you have to take everything all over again. You have to take the written test and the driving test again. So if you invest $4,600 in the class, you better damn make sure you pass it. Because that's a lot of money, you know what I mean? I don't want to get stuck paying again because I don't even have the money to pay again. So we're just driving to the park. We're gonna check out the water and see. That's one thing about Washington, boy. You're talking about rain. It rains. I wanted to show you guys something real quick. She got all these cars. It's raining, right? And people are still in the park. What the hell are they doing in the park if it's raining? I mean, what are you going to do? Have a picnic in the rain? I mean, I know I'm here at the park, but I ain't parked. You know what I mean? I ain't getting off my truck. There's no cars over here, but like when we leave, I'll show you all the cars. I mean, what are they? They're probably inside their car, doing what I'm doing, nothing. Well, what do? You know what I mean? What do I do? If I don't work till 6 o'clock, you know, what am I doing? I have to kill time, you know? It's like, even when I'm working, you know what I mean? Or eventually gonna work driving the trucks, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna be home. I'm gonna be with Snoopy in the truck. She's gonna be with me, so wherever we go, you know, it's gonna be a bed there, right? So she can sleep. But anyways, I was gonna show you these cars. Check out all these cars. It's raining and people are in the park. What the hell? See all the cars? It's either that or maybe they're excited to see the rain, you know? You got all these potholes. It rains sometimes, it just never stops. It might not pour like we just seen right now a little while ago, the pouring of the rain, but it rains. It never stops. It's like a cycle, you know, that just keeps going and going and going. You ever open your washing machine and you see water all the time? We might have a bad winter, huh? Might be a bad sign. I don't know. There's a UPS guy. I don't know what he's doing. Ooh, see the little tree, the tree? That tree fell. Look at that. Rained so much that the tree actually fell. Or not the tree, but you know, the tree branch. Boy, you're lucky I wasn't. I'm glad I wasn't parked under there, huh? Would have been smashed. Would have been damage to the truck. Well, that's going to be the end of the show, folks. So this is a video of rain. The rainy season's here, so those of you who like rain, give it a thumbs up. Those of you who don't like rain, give it a thumbs down, huh? I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit and have my cake. I baked the cake today. And then I'm gonna listen to some shows and stuff. That's what I do every day. I have a simple life. Now, if I had a lot of money, you know, I definitely wouldn't be coming here. I'd be traveling. At least I have 4-wheel drive, huh? But hopefully that tree won't come down on me, huh? All right, guys, take it easy.